In there. That's your bed. That's your bed. Okay. All right. So you don't want that bed? Okay. No one's going to force you to have a white fluffy bed. Okay. Oh my God. Hey, no. 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 Oh my God. Evo. Evo. Sit. Sit. Maybe not. You knew it the other day. Oh, boy.